In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two Google Sheets using a great import range alternative. This method is perfect if you're looking for a more efficient and effective way to pull data between sheets beyond the classic import range function. Let's dive into the step-by-step process now. First things first, open up a Google Sheet. If you haven't already, navigate to your Google Drive and start by creating a new sheet or opening an existing one where you plan to import your data. This is your destination sheet, where all your important data will land. Once your sheet is open, you'll want to select a cell where this imported data will begin to populate. You can simply do this by clicking on any cell of your choice. This selection will be the starting point for where the data from another spreadsheet will display. Now here's the crucial part, entering the formula. In the selected cell, you need to type out the formula as follows, equals IMPORTRANGE, then an open parenthesis. Next, you'll need to insert the URL of the spreadsheet you're pulling the data from, or simply the spreadsheet ID if that's easier. Make sure to enclose this URL or ID in double quotes. After the double-quoted URL or ID, type a comma. This is followed by another double-quoted section where you'll specify the range of cells you want to import, say C1 to D9. So your formula should look something like this, equals import range, open parenthesis, double quote, URL or ID, double quote, comma, double quote, C1 D9, double quote, close parenthesis. Once you've carefully entered your formula, it's time to finalize by hitting the Enter key on your keyboard. This is what will execute the command and begin the data importing process. Keep in mind that sometimes a prompt might appear asking you to allow access to the sheets, particularly if it's the first time you're importing from that specific spreadsheet. In such cases, just click Allow Access to proceed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're successfully using the import range function in Google Sheets to connect two separate spreadsheets. With these easy instructions, you can manage data across your Google Sheets with much more efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in streamlining your spreadsheet tasks. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Google Workspace capabilities.